Okay, yo, what is going on again? Another video. I think I want to do another motovlog right now. I'm gonna be riding my SV650S Suzuki. I cleaned this shit yesterday. I don't know if it's picking it up on the GoPro, but this shit is clean. Check this shit out. Super clean. So I'm just gonna do another vlog riding my SV here. You know, she's a beast. Check her out. Okay. You know? Man, this bike is actually beautiful. Holy shit. Looking at this thing is actually really nice. I mean, I like how it looks. I like how it rides. Man, just a beast. Look at this thing broke off. I actually low-sided on this bike before, about 2 years ago, and this shit broke off right here. So I'm like, that. Look at this one. This one has the little ball on it on the end. See? That thing has a ball. So hey, it works though. I mean, it still feels pretty. It actually feels good for me, you know, right there. Boom. So let's start this bike and let's get riding and talking. I was gonna get on that side, but let's get on this side. I don't feel like doing all that work. Ugh. Start the bike. Oof. I just got done doing my 8s on my bike. It's just pretty much doing figure 8s around the parking lot over there. And this, I heard like a lady's voice. I was like, where's that coming from? I look up, there's a camera and there's a speaker, and I'm trying to hear. I got my helmet on, so I can't really hear, but I went up close to it, you know, and I was like, what the hell is she saying? She's pretty much gonna call the authority on me because I'm trespassing. Well, anyways, yeah, I just got done doing that, and then now let's vlog. Let's get this. Let's do an adventure real quick. I was gonna go straight, but let's make a left here. Ooh, it's green. California. That shit is a nice license plate. Black and yellow. That's a good combo. Good ass combo. Hear that backfire on the Suzuki? That shit went pow, pow, pow. It's like a gunshot. Not really, but you know what I mean. Talk about this bike, right? So this one I'm about to sell pretty soon. I went to talk to my coworker. We've been talking about it for a while now, but I think pretty soon I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't want to, but it's more of like, see, right now my Honda's sitting right now. I haven't ridden that bike for like 2 weeks, maybe a week and a half, and I don't like that, you know. It's not getting put to use. So like, if I use one bike, if I use my Honda, this one's gonna sit. If I use this one, for example, that one's been sitting for like a week and a half. So that's why I'm selling it. The other reason why too, it's cheaper, you know. But yeah, this bike is gonna be gone pretty soon, but that's all right. That's all right. I got my Honda, bike I actually wanted, you know. So I'm Gucci. Also, goodness, here, I know the guy that I'm gonna sell it to is a co-worker of mine. I've been working for years now, maybe 8 years. So I know him pretty well, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna take good care of it, and he's gonna bring it to work, and I'm gonna see it. So that's cool. That's cool. Oh, look at this lowrider. Sick. That dude look like Chris. The dude that I know. California knows how to party. California knows how to party. In the city. Oh shit, that's why I don't sing, dude. I got some trash ass voice. I don't know, I literally just woke up like an hour ago. I woke up, ate my banana, drank water, and got ready, and we're not riding right now. So it's been like, yeah, it's been an hour, and I think I'm just hungry, or I don't have brain fog right now. I just can't think of anything. I'm just going with the flow. Let's just keep riding. Man, you hear that? You hear that exhaust? I don't know if you can hear it well through this mic, but God damn, that's fucking loud for me, to be honest. Ooh, balance, throttle and clutch control. Find that sweet spot. What the fuck? There's another Tesla right there, bro. Crazy. Too much Tesla now. Oh, no. I think those cars are not that expensive, huh? They're like 40 grand, I think. I don't know, but I think they weren't expensive. A friend of mine told me they weren't that expensive. It was like around 40, 50, something around there. Wieners! It says Werner. Something went in my eye. What the fuck? I don't know what went in my eye, but shit, there's something there. I was gonna go first straight down, but man, I don't know, I'm just not feeling it right now. So let me go this way. Woo! Oh, there's a bike. Let's catch up to that bike. Change lanes for bikes. Is that me? I think they're talking about bicycles. Not motorcycles. We caught up to the biker. Let's go! Catch up! Damn. Shit is fucking windy right now. California knows how to party. Please discount liquor. I was just there yesterday, actually. Oh, what the fuck was that? Oh, damn. That truck just freaking rev-bombed me, I think. Look at this bridge. The way they constructed this shit, oh my god. It's full of rivets and studs and bolts and nuts. Damn nuts, though. Nah. Oh, check this boat out. God damn, dude. That shit looks like a missile. I bet you that shit is fast. Oh shit, turned green. I wasn't prepared for that one. That was a quick one. Super quick. I got a fire extinguisher. That's cool. Oh, I want a small one like that for my bike. I don't know where to put it though. Probably put it somewhere right here. I can. There's a plane coming straight this way. You see that plane coming down? Actually, the airport, the runway's over here, right behind me. But dude, this shit better turn green, just in case. No, just kidding. Alright guys, that's another vlog for me. This ain't much today. I think this is going to be a very short one. Yeah, just thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.